OpenAI has just introduced a brand new feature for ChatGPT, and it's already turning heads. Called Tasks, this update allows you to schedule reminders, track deadlines, and even get proactive suggestions, all directly within ChatGPT. For those of you wondering how AI can actually make your life easier, this is where it starts. But that's not all. In this video, we're breaking down exactly how ChatGPT Tasks works, why it's so different from your usual productivity tools, and what this means for the future of AI. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll understand not only how to use tasks efficiently, but also what exciting developments OpenAI might be planning next. Let's get started. ChatGPT Tasks is OpenAI's latest move toward transforming its AI into more than a conversational tool. Released in beta for ChatGPT Plus, Team, and Pro users, this feature allows you to schedule reminders and actions directly within the ChatGPT interface. Whether it's a recurring task like daily weather updates or a one-time project deadline, Tasks lets you automate these reminders effortlessly. Setting it up is straightforward. Simply use the 4O with Schedule Tasks option in the model picker and type in a prompt for their desired task. Once scheduled, ChatGPT sends notifications across desktop, web, and mobile platforms, keeping you updated no matter where you are. However, there's one caveat. The task manager itself is currently only accessible through the web version of ChatGPT. The beta period is designed to help OpenAI refine this feature. By observing how users interact with tasks, OpenAI aims to perfect it before rolling it out to all ChatGPT users. So while this is just the beginning, it's a significant step in OpenAI's broader strategy to integrate AI into everyday life. Using ChatGPT Tasks is designed to be straightforward and user-friendly, mirroring the simplicity of a conversation with the AI. To start, users need to toggle the 4O with Schedule Tasks option in the model picker, which activates the feature. Once enabled, you can input a variety of task prompts tailored to your needs. For example, you might type, "Remind me to submit the report by 3 p.m. tomorrow," or "Schedule a weekly check-in every Monday at 9 a.m. What makes this feature particularly useful is its ability to adapt to your workflow. It's not just about setting up a single reminder. Tasks can manage recurring schedules and dynamic updates. Whether you're planning daily activities or long-term deadlines, you can adjust and fine-tune tasks with a simple prompt. This flexibility is especially valuable for users who juggle multiple responsibilities across personal and professional domains. One of the standout features of ChatGPT Tasks is its proactive nature. It can suggest reminders based on prior conversations, such as follow-ups on project discussions or deadlines you've mentioned. For instance, if you've been chatting about an upcoming presentation, ChatGPT might prompt you to set a reminder for preparation time, demonstrating a contextual awareness that feels intuitive and personalized. Notifications are sent seamlessly across platforms, ensuring you stay updated regardless of the device you're using. Whether you're at your desk or on the go, reminders will appear on your desktop, web, or mobile versions of ChatGPT. However, it is worth noting that while notifications are universal, the task manager itself is currently accessible only via the web version. This distinction highlights the platform's focus on keeping key management tools centralized while ensuring reminders reach you wherever you are. Additionally, the integration of tasks with ChatGPT's broader capabilities enhances its practicality. Users who already rely on ChatGPT for brainstorming, coding, or writing will find the transition to incorporating tasks into their workflow seamless. The platform not only helps you manage your day, but also supports the execution of the tasks themselves, creating a cohesive and efficient experience. By blending task management with conversational AI, ChatGPT Tasks offers more than just reminders. It provides a system that adapts to your needs, simplifies organization, and anticipates what's next. This thoughtful design ensures that managing your schedule is as easy and intuitive as having a conversation. While tasks might seem like a simple productivity tool, it's part of a much larger picture. OpenAI has been hinting at developing autonomous agents for some time, and tasks could be a foundational step toward that goal. Rumors of an AI agent called Operator have been swirling, with tasks believed to be a precursor to this ambitious project. The idea is that Operator could eventually handle more complex actions, like summarizing large datasets, accessing documents, or even making decisions based on user preferences. OpenAI's previous work with Swarm, a framework for coordinating AI agents, suggests the company is already laying the groundwork for these capabilities. So, why does this matter? Because Tasks isn't just about setting reminders. It's about turning ChatGPT into an AI that actively supports your goals. This shift from a reactive to a proactive assistant marks a significant evolution in how we interact with AI. If Tasks is the first step, the possibilities for what comes next are truly expansive. The productivity space is crowded with apps like Google Calendar, Notion, Asana, and Trello, all vying for attention. So, what makes ChatGPT Tasks different? It's the integration. Unlike traditional tools that focus on scheduling, ChatGPT combines task management with its broader AI capabilities. For example, let's say you're working on a project and need to schedule deadlines, brainstorm ideas, or even write content. Instead of jumping between apps, ChatGPT lets you do all of this in one place. It not only manages your tasks, but also helps you execute them. This all-in-one functionality sets it apart, especially for users already leveraging ChatGPT for coding, writing, or creative projects. Additionally, the ability to suggest tasks based on conversation history adds a layer of automation that most other tools don't offer. It's like having an assistant who not only listens, but anticipates your needs. While this might not fully replace existing productivity tools yet, it certainly adds a compelling alternative for users seeking efficiency. ChatGPT Tasks isn't just a cool feature, it's a tool that can slot seamlessly into various aspects of everyday life. The range of potential applications is massive, from personal to professional scenarios, making it relevant for almost anyone. Let's break it down. For personal use, imagine setting reminders for birthdays, anniversaries, or fitness goals. Forgetting important dates becomes a thing of the past when ChatGPT pings you at the right time. Planning weekly meals, Tasks can remind you to buy groceries or prepare specific dishes. It can even send daily weather updates so you're never caught off guard. In professional settings, the possibilities expand even further. Picture managing multiple deadlines for a work project. Instead of juggling between email chains and calendar apps, ChatGPT can centralize these tasks. For those in creative or tech fields, Tasks can complement workflows by scheduling brainstorming sessions or coding sprints. For developers and creatives, ChatGPT Tasks can optimize workflows. Imagine working on a code project. ChatGPT can not only suggest fixes, but also remind you of debugging tasks or deployment schedules. Writers can use it to organize drafts and ensure deadlines are met without switching tools. The synergy between task management and productivity makes ChatGPT stand out as a true game changer. The introduction of Tasks isn't just a standalone feature. It's a signal of where OpenAI is headed. While the company has kept tight-lipped about its long-term plans, industry speculation provides some interesting insights. Many believe that Tasks is a stepping stone to broader AI capabilities, possibly culminating in a full-fledged personal assistant or agent. Take the rumored Operator, for instance. This hypothetical AI agent could build on what Tasks is doing now, taking it several steps further. Imagine ChatGPT accessing documents on your behalf, summarizing reports, or even executing automated workflows based on your specific needs. These are no longer science fiction, but realistic possibilities, given OpenAI's current trajectory. OpenAI has also released frameworks like Swarm, which focuses on orchestrating AI agents to work together seamlessly. While Swarm is more of a back-end tool, its existence hints at OpenAI's broader ambitions in creating interconnected, intelligent systems. Tasks could very well be the front-facing element of this strategy. What's clear is that OpenAI is aiming to blur the lines between AI as a tool and AI as an assistant. By refining and expanding features like Tasks, the company is setting the stage for AI to become an integral part of both personal and professional workflows. It's no longer just about answering questions, it's about taking action. So, what does this mean for you as a user? ChatGPT Tasks is already reshaping how AI fits into daily life, and it's only in its beta phase. If you're on the ChatGPT Plus, Team, or Pro plans, this is your chance to explore the feature and see how it can fit into your routine. Imagine streamlining your schedule, automating reminders, and letting ChatGPT anticipate your needs, all in one place. Whether you're managing work projects, planning your week, or even tracking personal goals, Tasks is designed to integrate seamlessly into your life. And this is just the beginning. As OpenAI refines and develops this feature, the possibilities are endless. Tasks might be the first step, but it's clear that OpenAI is gearing up to deliver much more in the future. What do you think? Could this be the tool that changes how we interact with AI forever? If you've made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.